I'm trying to be like those Fidelity account holders who've forgotten they have an account. Because I actually think I'm not patient enough. I actually look at my portfolio, and I truly think that if I just went away for 10 years and took no actions on any of it, I think we'd be just doing incredibly well. And I think one of the negatives in me is that, unfortunately, over the next 10 years, I know I will sell stuff that I should not sell, and I know I will buy stuff that I should not have bought. So the very best thing I could do is, just take a sabbatical and go bike riding with Guy Spear for the next 10 years. That would be, and then just forget about the fund and everything, and take it from there. So actually, I think the problem is the other way around. I think that I'm trying to become better at the patience game. I think Warren is really good at it. The big issue and big problem in the investing world is if you turn on CNBC and you see all those ticker symbols flashing by, or you open a Bloomberg terminal and you see all those red and green lights and all of that is telling you need to act now. The world is passing you by. You need to act now. And the reality is that real business change, it happens over years and years. It doesn't happen over days or weeks or even months. It takes several years for that business change and business evolution to happen. And so you really have to give. Just to tell you how impatient I am, I think there's only one stock in my portfolio that is more than 3 years old. To me, that does not sound like ultra patient behavior. Do you think that's patient? I didn't get a response, Arvind.
I see people shaking their heads. They don't think you're patient.
Yeah, exactly. So so basically, I think the lesson I'm trying to get better and better at is one of being more patient. And one thing I actually like about Thando, especially when we buy these wholly owned businesses, is we'll never sell them. And I think that's probably the best thing you could possibly do is never sell them. I have businesses in my portfolio that it would not surprise me that in 10 years they're trading at 8 times, 10 times where they're trading today. And I hope I'm smart enough not to sell them before that time. But I don't have the confidence that I'm that smart.